Little Amy Club.
Hello, little artist! Today we're going to draw a colorful umbrella. Let's get started. First, draw a big, rounded umbrella top. Great job! Now, draw the wavy bottom. Next, draw the lines inside the umbrella. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome! Now draw the little point at the top. Let's draw the umbrella stick. Draw a long, straight line, then draw the curved handle. Now it's time to color. Let's color the umbrella with rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. This umbrella is so colorful. Now color the handle purple, color the stick pink. Almost finished. Let's add some shiny highlights and shadows. Now this umbrella looks bright and beautiful. Drawing is so fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.